Good morning, traders. Tamar here, FXGlobe ambassador with your morning bell for Thursday, the 10th of November 2022. And the big event news that we've got today is US CPI, so Consumer Price Index. And last month we saw a reading of 0.4, bringing the annual inflation to 8.2%. This month, analysts expect a reading of 0.6 and to bring the annual inflation to 7.9. However, mind you that in the last 6 out of the past 7 readings, inflation came out hotter than expected, and we saw an increase or buying into the US dollar and sell-off in US equities. So what I'll be looking for today around this number is if we're going to see some buyers coming back into the US dollar, then I'm going to pay attention to the Aussie dollar against the US and the Kiwi dollar. Both have a very beautiful downtrend on the weekly chart. The Kiwi dollar has touched the level of 0.60 and reacted to it. So I'll be looking for a continuation of this overall strong downtrend. Also, dollar CAD is looking in a very nice uptrend on the weekly chart, and currently for this week we have a nice bullish rejection candle. So if we'll see some buying in coming into the market, I'll be looking at these 3 pairs. However, if we'll see some sell-off of the US dollar in reaction to the numbers, then the one that I'll pay attention to most closely would be the euro dollar. We've got this nice equal touch on the daily chart, just shy of the level of 1.01. So I'll be looking to see if the market breaks above that level. I'll be looking for potential buy opportunities as we move in higher above this area. I like that double rejection weak candles that we have there on the daily chart. In other news, we also have the unemployment claim coming out of the US and a few speakers around central bank action. So we've got the governor of the Bank of Canada, we've got a member of the Federal Open Committee, and a board member for the Swiss National Bank. In other news, in the crypto world, we've got some big news and big movements. So Binance has decided to walk away from the deal to buy FTX, so basically not to bail them out, and we saw some strong moves in the crypto market. So in the last couple of days, we saw a move to the downside of over 20% in Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually dropped below the level of 16,000. We haven't been there since 2020, so a long time in the crypto world. And we saw some over 20% sell-off in Ether as well. So I'll be looking for potential opportunities in the crypto market, but keeping in mind we could see some bounce, release some of this strong selling pressure before we might see a continuation of this move. Happy trading, everyone!